For this final problem for today, they are going to provide you with a function and they're going to provide you with a factor. And in the question, they're going to say, this factor is a factor of the given function. So I know this works. So if this factor is a factor for the given function, that means x is equal to positive 2 for this particular part. So please put a positive 2 up front. Notice that there's an a here. So I'm going to write down 1x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus ax minus 12. If 2 is a solution, it's an x-intercept, what can I expect at the very bottom? 0. Okay, so what number would have to go here to combine? So I know this is going to be a positive 12. Put like a fairly large circle right here. We're going to get to that part in just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to start with synthetic division, or bring down the first number. Then I do the mama method. Multiply to get 2, add straight down to come up with negative 1. Multiply to receive negative 2, add down to get 4. Multiply to get 8. Okay, so what number do I need in this position so that when I take 2 times this number, I get an answer of 12. Once again, 2 times what gives you an answer of 12? 6. Okay, so then I have to go, okay, what number do I add? Because remember, you add down, multiply and add down. What number do I add to 8 to come up with a positive 6? Negative 2, problem is done. Next problem, g of x equals x to the fourth plus x to the third minus 11x squared plus ax plus 18. And you're told x plus 3 is a factor of this function. So if it's a factor, that means x equals is a solution. Make an upside down division box. What is going to be my final answer at the very bottom underneath the box if this is a solution? 0, which means what number has to go here? Okay, I'm going to put a big circle here. I'll come back to this in a little bit. So I'm going to bring down the 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Add down to come up with negative 2. Multiply to get 6. Add straight down to come up with negative 5. Multiply to come up with 15. And now, please don't blur out the answer. I need to think. Negative 3 times what number will equal negative 18? Negative 3 times what is negative 18? Anybody? Positive 6. Going backwards. So I'm going to add down, and I have to get an answer of 6. What number plus 15 gives you 6? The answer is A equals negative 9. The last problem, I'm going to write it out. You're going to try it totally on your own. I will give you 1 minute, and then I'll start doing it. So when you are done, please look up and check your answer with mine. There's the given function and a factor that works. 1 minute, begin. My work is shown on the board. I'm going to go over this with you once I stop the recording, but can you write down this problem to practice? Please write down. Okay, we're going to go m of x equals x to the 5th minus x to the 4th minus 7x cubed plus 11x squared plus a of x plus 12, and I'm going to tell you that the factor x plus 3 is a factor of this given function.